Internal quality assurance, or IQA, is at the heart of maintaining high standards in assessment and teaching. In simple terms, quality assurance means protecting the integrity of a qualification by paying attention to every stage of the learning and assessment process. When we apply this to education and training, the aim is clear: to make sure every learner receives fair, consistent and reliable assessments regardless of who assesses it. In any organisation, especially those with multiple trainers or assessors, one of the biggest challenges is consistency. Two teachers may deliver the same course using the same learning outcomes, yet their approach, their style, and even the interpretation of the assessment criteria can be very different. This is perfectly normal, because teachers have their own strengths and natural teaching preferences. Problems only start to arise when differences start to affect the quality of teaching, the validity of assessments, or the learner's chance of achieving the qualification. This is where internal quality assurance becomes essential. IQA acts as the internal safeguards of quality. It helps identify differences, gaps, or inconsistencies in delivery or assessment, and ensures that every learner is assessed fairly and against the same national standards. When assessments become inconsistent, it can be a sign that the assessor needs more support, clearer guidance, or further standardization. IQA provides this by monitoring assessment decisions, offering feedback, and creating action plans to support assessors and ensure improvements are made. It's not about policing assessors, but supporting them so that the learning and assessment process is strong and reliable. One of the most important responsibilities of IQA is organising and leading standardization meetings. These meetings bring together assessors who deliver the same qualification so they can discuss assessment decisions, compare approaches, share challenges, and agree on a unified way of interpreting criteria. Standardization is a key part of making sure every assessor is at the same level, using the same expectations across all learners. Effective IQA makes sure that all assessors are confident, appropriately qualified, up to date with the current standards, and that their assessment practice meets the needs of the qualification. They also ensure training is well planned, well delivered, and a good use of the learner's time. IQA is the internal mechanism that holds everything together. Without it, the learning environment quickly loses structure and credibility. Internal quality assurance is also a requirement for any centre delivering regulated qualification. Awarding organisations expect to see strong IQA, clear processes, and reliable records. IQA forms the bridge between the centre and the awarding organisation's external quality assurer. When internal systems are strong, the external verification process becomes smoother. Centres that consistently demonstrate high standards may even be granted direct claim status, allowing them to claim certificates without waiting for each batch of work to be externally verified. Ultimately, the function of IQA is to maintain the integrity of qualification. It protects the learner, supports the assessor, and ensures the qualification remains valid, reliable, and respected. Effective IQA benefits everyone involved: the learner, the assessor, the organisation, and the awarding organisation, by making sure that teaching and assessments are fair, consistent, and the highest quality.